Hi, this is Voss here from the Chris Voss Show.com. Hey, coming with another great product. This is from HyperX and I'm super surprised by this. We'll get into what the details are here. It's the Hyper Cloud Alpha. These are gaming headphones you can take and use. They've got a mic put on them, or you can remove the mic as well. And basically, it's designed for gamers. You can use this with all the platforms, PC, Xbox, and your PS4. And you might want to just use them for listening to your music on your mobile device. That sounds excellent. One thing that was really surprising to me is these retail for only $19.99, and I was blown away by the sound quality of these units. They have a really rich, beautiful, warm ambiance. It's very warm and great bass, beautiful bright tones, but without melding the two. It keeps them on a separate track so you can kind of hear them and they resonate very well and they don't override each other. It's really, really nice. It's very comparable to $400 headsets that I take and review. I was really blown away at the audio quality, and I can't stress that enough. You can wear it for hours. It's very light feeling, even though it feels kind of heavy in the hand and looks very sturdy and strong. It seems really light when you put it on. It's very big around your ears. I have a large head. I have very big ears. And wow, it just fit comfortably around them. I didn't feel like my ears were being squished or pressed against my head. This is something you literally could wear for hours. And if you're gaming, that's most likely what you're going to do. It doesn't squish or compress your head or where your head feels like it's in a tourniquet. And they're just light and very comfortable. I got to tell you, I'm really blown away by the quality of these headphones and the price of the headphones and the sound. It's got dual channel drivers for more distinction and less distortion, it claims. It has a signature award-winning HyperX comfort, according to their website. It's got durable aluminum frame with expanded headband. A lot of headphones in this price range are just plastic that will easily break. So it's got a nice aluminum frame that looks good and provides a complete sturdiness and makes it light. It's got a detachable braided cable with convenient inline audio control with a mute and everything. I should mention it's a very nice thick cable and it's corded, which makes it really well. Sometimes you get these headphones that have these thin cables, and as soon as you jerk them once, you're going to take and have them short out on you. This thing is definitely designed to take some abuse, and the cables are nice and long too as well. It's got a detachable noise cancellation microphone. You can use this with Discord or TeamSpeak certified. I was really impressed with that since I have a giant Discord server. Multi-platform capability. You can dominate on PC or on the consoles as well. I got to tell you, I was super impressed with this. Just great high, mid, and bass, and wonderful durability that you can probably game with this thing for years. This is a great investment, and the quality of sound you're going to get is just amazing. Anyway, go to the website at hyperxgaming.com and check out the Cloud Alpha headphones. I highly recommend them. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.